1990 Bronco versus a 24. I think I like my green one better. We're still on stock tires. You're fine. How much is this one? We've got 66,000. That's too damn much. This 1990 is rated to tow 7,700 pounds. I bet that 4 or 6 cylinder sure doesn't sound that good. Here's my 1990 Ford Bronco. Just bought it down in Durant, Oklahoma. I think we've gone about 160, 170 miles so far. Hasn't used a drop of oil. It's not perfect, but it's probably as close to perfect as I'm gonna get. We're towing my Ford Festiva. Should at least peek my eyes down here on this, make sure we're tight. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything's moved. It's all doing good. All right, let's see if it'll fire back up after sitting. I just had lunch at this Burger King right over here. Okay. Right up. All right, let's hit the road. All right, we're hitting the road. Let's crank this AC back on. Didn't use a drop of oil. an hour, just like that. But yeah, 12.3 miles per gallon, that's not terrible considering all those mountains and hills that we've been climbing and pulling this Festiva. Let's see if it'll start back up. Right up. Crank this AC. Let's roll. Bronco made it to the Iowa border. So, buying a vehicle from the south, probably no thermostat. That's the only thing I want to change when I get home. I'll put a thermostat in it, get it running a little bit warmer. I've checked it with my temp gun. We've got about 140. We're running about 140. I can live with that for now. So, moving right along. Alright, just past the Minnesota border. Wasn't able to film the sign, had a lot of traffic. So far I've got about 330 miles on this tank. We gotta be getting halfway decent mileage. I haven't stopped once. So I'm pretty impressed so far. Just filled up. Only took 25.8 gallons. 13.4 miles to the gallon. We've been running 70 miles an hour. The winds are out of the north, so we've been fighting the wind the whole way. Pretty impressive.